Have your legs been feeling heavier lately? Are stairs starting to feel like mountains? You're not alone, and more importantly, you're not broken. If you're over 60 and noticing swelling, weakness, or that aching feeling in your calves by evening, there's something your body is trying to tell you. I want to share something that helped my patient Mary, 73, who went from barely making it from the kitchen to the couch, to walking the neighborhood again with her grandchildren. No pills, no expensive treatments, just a 7-minute nightly ritual using something that's probably sitting in your kitchen right now. Stick with me, because this is more than a tip. It's a return to comfort, confidence, and strength. Let's break it down simply and clearly. 1. Poor circulation. As we age, the walls of our blood vessels, especially the veins in our legs, begin to lose their elasticity. This makes it harder for blood to flow freely and return to the heart, especially since our legs are fighting against gravity. As a result, blood can start to pool in the lower limbs, leading to that familiar heaviness, throbbing, and swelling. You might notice your feet and ankles look more puffy by evening, or that they feel cold to the touch. This isn't just a comfort issue. Poor circulation can also slow down the delivery of oxygen and nutrients your muscles need to function properly. 2. Fluid retention. Our lymphatic system, which helps drain waste and excess fluids from tissues, slows down with age. Add in certain medications, salty foods, or simply long periods of sitting or standing, and your body may start to retain more fluid, particularly in your lower extremities. If your socks leave deep impressions, or your shoes feel tighter at the end of the day, this is your body signaling fluid is accumulating. The result is extra weight in the legs that makes walking and standing feel like a workout. 3. Sarcopenia, muscle loss. Muscle loss begins subtly in our 30s and picks up speed after age 60. This is called sarcopenia, a gradual loss of lean muscle mass, especially in the thighs and calves. This doesn't just make us weaker. It affects balance, coordination, and endurance. Tasks like rising from a chair or maintaining a steady gait become harder, not because we're out of shape, but because the muscle tissue that used to support those movements is disappearing. If not addressed, this can increase the risk of falls and decrease independence. 4. Chronic inflammation. Aging tissues often live under a constant state of low-grade inflammation. This inflammation slows healing, causes discomfort, and damages cells in the muscles and blood vessels. Over time, the inflammation becomes a vicious cycle. Inflamed tissues function poorly, which leads to more strain, more pain, and further inflammation. This is one reason some seniors experience leg cramps at night or stiffness in the morning that takes a while to go away. These changes are common, but they are not irreversible, and understanding them is the first step to reclaiming the strength and lightness in your legs. Rosemary oil is more than just a cooking ingredient. It's a therapeutic botanical that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine to ease muscle pain, reduce inflammation, and improve circulation. Extracted from the rosemary plant's flowers and leaves through steam distillation, rosemary essential oil contains powerful compounds like rosmarinic acid, a potent anti-inflammatory that helps reduce tissue irritation and improve comfort in joints and muscles. 1. 8-cineol, known for its vasodilatory effects, meaning it helps expand blood vessels and encourage better circulation. Carnosic acid and carnosol, antioxidants that support tissue repair and cellular health by fighting oxidative stress. When applied topically, these compounds penetrate the skin and reach the underlying blood vessels and muscle tissue. That's why rosemary oil is often recommended by physical therapists and naturopathic doctors for people dealing with poor peripheral circulation or age-related discomfort in their legs. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Physical Therapy Science showed that older adults who used rosemary oil massage on their legs experienced increased skin temperature, a marker for improved blood flow, decreased stiffness, and better leg function within just 1 week. Another study from the Journal of Medicinal Plant Research found that consistent use of rosemary oil helped reduce swelling in the ankles and feet of elderly participants, improving their walking speed and endurance after just 10 days. What makes rosemary oil particularly senior-friendly is that it works with your body, not against it. Because it's natural, it's less likely to interfere with medications or trigger side effects the way oral drugs might. And the best part? It offers results you can often feel right away. A gentle warmth, a light tingling sensation as blood begins to flow, and over time, a noticeable sense of renewed vitality in the legs. Here's how to use it. Step 1. Prepare after your evening shower. Dry your legs thoroughly. Warm a few drops of rosemary oil between your palms. Step 2. Apply massage from the ankles upward in circular motions toward the knees and thighs. This helps support your body's natural circulation. Spend 1 to 2 minutes per leg. Use firm but gentle pressure, focusing on areas that feel tight or heavy. Step 3. Breathe as you massage. Take deep breaths. Inhale calm. Exhale tension. This helps calm your nervous system and supports healing. Visualize the stiffness melting away and fresh energy flowing in. Step 4. Elevate after the massage. Lie down with your feet elevated above heart level using pillows. Rest like this for 10 to 15 minutes. This encourages the return of blood and lymph toward your core, helping reduce swelling. Optional Step 5. Compress if you're dealing with moderate swelling. You may apply light compression socks after the massage and elevation. This can help maintain results throughout the night. Repeat this process every night for 7 days. What to expect each day. Day 1 to 2. A soothing sensation during and after the massage. Legs may feel slightly warmer and less tense. You may notice improved sleep due to better comfort. Day 3 to 4. Swelling begins to noticeably reduce. You may find it easier to get up from a chair or walk longer distances without discomfort. Day 5 to 6. Improved circulation leads to more energy in your steps. Nighttime cramps or twitching may reduce significantly. Day 7. Many seniors report feeling lighter on their feet, more confident in their balance, and surprised by how much a simple nightly ritual has improved their mobility and mindset. This isn't just about physical relief. For many, this becomes an emotional turning point, a way to take ownership of their body's healing, rather than surrendering to decline. Simple, consistent care builds trust between you and your own body again. When you massage your legs with attention and breathe through it, you're not just treating a symptom. You're telling yourself, I'm still worth this. That alone has immense healing power. If your legs are speaking to you through swelling, aches, or fatigue, don't ignore them. Don't wait until it gets worse. Give yourself just 7 days. Try this nightly ritual. Reconnect with your legs. Reconnect with your strength. And if it brings you relief, please share it with someone you care about. You never know who else is quietly struggling to stay steady and might just need this gentle nudge to begin their own healing. Your body hasn't failed you. It's been waiting for you to listen. Let tonight be the night you say yes to healing.